Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito naman po yung lingkod Ren sa Utaro Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful na meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan. Sinusubaybayan ang pinakamahal na Ren sa Utaro Channel. Ang ating po reading ngayon ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aries. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign para sa inyo to. Takes what on the resonates. And maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Pag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po o nakaresonate kayo, ay mag-comment po kayo. Of course, do like and share and subscribe po our channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. May shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nag-aabang at nanonood at nagbibigay na nakakataba sa puso ng mga komento. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ulitin ko, this is for you, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. And last shuffle at kunin na natin ang isang bara. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay, let's begin. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Aries. Mga pinakamahal namin nasa sign ng Aries. Ganito po, napakita, balik ko po. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Aries. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyo walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Paulit-ulit man po, pero hindi ko pwedeng hindi magsawang pasalamat sa inyo. It's because kayo, mga viewers, kayong mga nanonood, nagko-comment at laging nag-aabang ang dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo ngayon. Although medyo natagalan na naman bago ako nakapag-upload, muli lang naman nakabalik ang new lingkod, but still overwhelming po, nakakataba sa puso ang suporta. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Utang na loob ko po sa inyo kung nasaan man at saan man darating ang Renzo Tarot Channel. So, 2 more cards left for Aries, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Ayun, nahulog. Isa na lang. Yun. Okay, kunin ko to sa taas. Aries, your 10 cards are now complete. Ayusin ko lang to because I know that you're excited. Katulad ko din na super excited rin. Sa nakita niya, wala pong cut ito. This reading is very raw. Simula hanggang dulo ay talagang you get what you see. Okay, let's begin, Aries. Knight of Swords. So, Aries, may nakikita ko dito parang may mga internal battles. Parang ang daming mga deal. Parang ang daming mga, what is this? Parang mga sinusolve. Ang daming mga bagay na tumatakbo sa isipan. Parang hindi mo alam kung alin ang uunahin mo, hindi mo alam kung sino ang unang lalapitan mo, alin ang unang mong isisolve. There's a lot of things running in your mind, Aries. Siguro this is like there's an imbalance or disbalance about emotion. You're overwhelmed, parang hindi mo maipaliwanag ang nararamdaman mo, hindi mo alam kung saan nanggagaling itong mga heavy emotions na kasalukuyan mong nararanasan. So this Knight of Swords represents internal battles. Mentally, at the same time sa puso mo, di mo intindihan sa ngayon kung ano ba daw, saan ba, bakit mo nararamdaman itong kasalukuyang emotion. Okay, so tingnan natin. Aries, so Page of Cups, I can see her na parang may kinalaman sa yung career or parang this is career-wise or career-related. Siguro maybe you're frustrated. You are you're disappointed with the results na parang you thought ay sa'yo papabor. So, ayan, we have here the Page of Cups. Meron tayong nakikita alin sa likod. You really wanted something big. Ito yung cups na gusto mo makamit. You really want to achieve something big kasi talagang you're working for it. You're working for it so hard. So, talagang nilalaban mo to, but seems you're a little bit disappointed. That's why isa rin yan sa nakakadagdag dito sa mga bagay na nagpapagulo sa isipan mo. Okay, Aries? Then, this is a beautiful card, huh? Ace of Cups. Aries, you don't need to worry. You just need to relax or you need to kumbaga, ikalma mo ang isipan mo, ikalma mo kung ano man yan. You just need, kung feeling mo, kailangan mo lang mag-relax or magpahinga, okay, magpahinga ka. But we have here the Ace of Cups. So, it means siguro maaring naguguluhan ka, maaring siguro nararamdaman mo yan sa ngayon, mga kalituhan, or hindi mo maipaliwanag yung nararamdaman. But this Ace of Cups, the universe is telling you there's something new, something fresh, new beginning, new chapter na magbubukas para sa'yo. So, this is a very positive card. Ibig sabihin lang ito, Aries, may something big na kailangan sa'yo sa universe na yung pala, kaya pala parang pinupurge ka, parang pinipiga ka, parang talagang tinetest hanggang saan ka. It's because this Ace of Cups signifies a new opportunities, a new door of opportunities will be opening for you, Aries. Okay? So, relax lang. Okay, the Empress. So, we have here ang ma-regain mo din yan. So, you don't need to worry because the Empress card, the universe is telling you na ma-regain mo din yung energy na nawala sa iyo, na-drain mo. Siguro medyo napabayaan mo sarili mo. Parang it seems na talagang kinonsume nitong mga problema, itong mga kalituhan sa isip, yung time mo, even your time for your family, your time para ayusin ang sarili mo. But this Empress card, the universe is telling you that you will regain, okay, you will be recharged, mapabawi mo yung energy mo, yung mga oras na nawala mo or nasayang mo sa kakaisip. So, it seems that kumbaga sa isang battery, full charge ka na uli. Kung na-drain ka, kung na-battery empty ka, nitong mga nakaraan, this Empress card is a sign or signifies that the universe is telling you, Aries, you just need to settle, relax lang, makakabawi ka din. Okay, makakabangon ka din. Okay, Five of Wands, we have here cooperation, collaboration, siguro Aries. You need also to open your life, your doors to what is this, working with other people, networking. It seems kasi na feeling mo ay although you have the talent, you have the skill sa mga bagay-bagay, you are already good at it, you've mastered already, but mas maganda, di ba, kapag nakiki-collaborate tayo sa mga taong the same path na meron tayo or aligned din sa skills natin, kasi mamaya may alam tayo na hindi nila alam, may hindi tayo alam na mas alam nila. So there will be a sharing or exchange of ideas and knowledge. So Aris, for your own growth, para mas lala ko matulungan na ma-develop yan, or for your life to be improved. So at least open your life to cooperation o pakikipagtulungan. Walang masama paghingi ng tulong. It's because, sabi nga, no man is an island, although you can do things alone or nasasolve mo mga bagay-bagay na mag-isa ka lang, pero iba pa rin ang natutulong kapag may mas maraming tao ang nag-exchange ng ideas or ng skills. Okay? I hope nasundan nyo, Aris. Sa ulitin ko po, kapag naka-resonate kayo or nagustuhan nyo pong ating reading, don't hesitate to comment. Nagre-reply po ako sa mga comments, like and share. And of course, subscribe po. So Aris, we have here the Queen of Swords. Magkatapat sila ng Knight of Swords na sinabi ko kanina, mga kalituhan. Hindi mo alam kung saan nanggagaling ang pressure. Hindi mo maintindihan, hindi mo maipaliwanag kung bakit may nararamdaman. So here we have the Queen of Swords. So you need to have a clear communication. Kailangan mo lang ng clear communication sa associates mo, sa family members, sa partner mo, sa boss mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Siguro nami-misinterpret ka nila or siguro may miscommunication. So you need to talk to them. Kailangan mong makipag-communicate talaga. Hindi mo pwedeng sarilihin lang yan. Kapag napapansin nila na parang hindi ka okay, you need to express what is really, kung ano talagang nararamdaman mo. Kailangan mong ilabas yan. Kailangan mong talagang you need to express you need to be honest to yourself. Communication is the key. So kinakailangan talaga magkapag-communicate, Aries, at this time. Okay? Mas maganda na nalalaman nila kasi at least, isa sa kanila makatulong sa'yo. So we have Tower. So ending, may matatapos na mga sitwasyon, whether you like it or not, Aries. So merong mga matatanggal, maalis sa buhay mo ng mga sitwasyon, mga tao na hindi naman nag-work na para sa iyo. They are not, instead, isa pa sila dito sa nakakadagdag sa worries mo, sa mga sakit mo sa ulo. So don't be surprised, Aries, kapag dumating yung sitwasyon na yan. Of course, it may be painful, it may be like surprising for you, but you need to embrace the reality. May matatapos, may talagang mawawala, may mga sitwasyon na hindi na kasi nag-work para sa'yo. So, universe ang gagawa ng paraan para at least tanggalin yan sa it's because it's hindi na niya nakikita na makakatulong ito sa'yo. Of course, this is for your own sake. This is for your own growth and good. Kaya kailangan, Aries, na talagang may mga sitwasyon na tanggalin na. Or ikaw kung kaya mo, if you have the courage to at least you do it, na ikaw na mismo ang lumayo, ikaw na mismo ang tumanggal ng mga toxicities, negativities, that maybe this one, ito yung mga nagiging nagsisilbing blockages. That's why yung manifestations mo ay parang mabagal or hindi nag-work out para sa'yo. Of course, the Tower cards represents or signifies ending. So we have here the Justice. Justice, magkatapat sila ng Ace of Cups. I am telling you, okay, don't worry. Huwag natanggalin na yung mga pag-aalala. Cheer up, Aries, because this justice, magkatapat sila ng Ace of Cups. Sinabi ko nga, this new beginning, this new chapter that is waiting for you with this justice card. This card signifies that your wish or your manifestations will be granted. It will work on your favor. So, kailangan mo lang talagang kalmahan. You need to relax. You need to find your balance. Inhale, exhale. Okay, everything. There's a resolution sa lahat. Hindi pwedeng walang katapusan ang lahat ng mga problema o ng pinagdadaan natin. So, it may be this, I respect what you're feeling. Maybe hindi madaling sabihin kasi ikaw ang nakakaranas niyan, or maybe sobrang bigat, but for it to be lighter, para mas lalong gumaan, kailangan simulan mo sa mindset, okay, that everything, especially ito kung mapanood mo itong reading natin ngayon, the universe is telling you that, Aries, with this justice and ace of cards, hindi lang to basta new beginning, hindi lang basta ito new chapter na ibibigay sa iyo or na magbubukas sa iyo. This is something na talagang will lift you up, or talagang will make you happy, or maybe you mapapasabi ka sa sarili mo na, okay, you will realize why those things happen for you. It's because talagang the universe has prepared something big for you. Okay? So, Page of Wands, I can see here, kita mo growth. Okay, it may be slow, maybe hindi mo pa nakikita yung growth ng mga bagay-bagay, but uh, this new opportunity that will be opening for you, hindi to biglaan na talaga makikita mo yung bunga, but at least it will be very clear, that there will be a clarity, the signs will be very concise for you na ito na talaga, dito ka aligned, Aries. So this is the one thing na talagang gustong-gusto mong trabahuin, or talagang ito yung gustong-gusto mong mangyari. So we have the Three of Pyramids at the back, so it means that that's your dreams and aspirations. Yan yung goal mo, yan yung objective mo na makamit. But kung makikita mo dito, may mga unti-unting dahon na tumutubo. So this will not be easy. It will be still a long road ahead for you. But at least you know that the universe has assured you, Aries, na yung bagong venture, yung bagong buhay na yan, bagong chapter na opportunity na ibibigay sa'yo, that will be for pangmatagalan, okay? That's for stability. At least dyan ka na talaga matatahimik, o dyan na talaga, yan na talaga masasabi mo yung magbibigay sa'yo ng stability in terms of everything, happiness, finances, resources, or whatever. So, 10, and last card, we have the Six of Pentacles. So, nakikita natin dito, magkatapat pa sila dun sa Five of Wands na sinabi ko na kailangan mo makipag-cooperate or collaboration. So, at this time, Aries, whatever you have is small, kahit maliit man yan, at least continue doing na yung pinagsimulan mo na ng pagiging matulungin. Siguro, maybe you're questioning your worth. Ano pa bang ibibigay ko? Wala na ako. But at least hindi naman nasusukat sa pera, material. Maybe your time, your effort, your energy, you can share that also. But it is necessary. Huwag mong hayaan na pigilan ng mga sitwasyon, ng mga problema yung nakagawian mo na, or yung talagang kung ano yung puso mo, lalong-lalo na sa pagtulong. This Six of Pentacles signifies that you have a very good heart. You have a very genuine heart in terms of a very compassionate heart in terms of sharing to others. And this compassionate heart na meron ka, yan din yung makakatulong sa iyo. Isa yan sa ingredient or factor ng universe, but at least talagang bigyan ka ng magandang future, at least i-guaranteed ka. It's because it's very rare sa mga tao na maging matulungin. A lot of people nowadays are very selfish. That's why it's very rare, Aries. You just need to continue. Okay? Wala ka man sa material, at least sa ibang bagay, just continue sharing, okay? Or talagang doing your part of giving to others. Okay? So Aries, that's it. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Aries ang makapanood nito ngayon. At kapag naka-resonate kayo o nagustuhan nyo pong ating reading, na bless kayo. Don't forget to comment, like, and share po. Of course, subscribe po. Maraming salamat po in advance. And I hope to see you again sa ating mga susunod na readings. Nasa mga kayo na naroroon. Ano pong ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.